Today's topic, multiplication and division of integers. Hello friends, welcome to all. Kumari here. Today's topic, multiplication and division of integers. First, multiplication of integers. Here, the child is facing in the positive direction. Here also, child is facing in the positive direction. Here I am using a doll. So, the doll is facing in the positive direction. Here, child is facing in the negative direction. Here also, child is facing in the negative direction. Negative direction means like this. The doll is facing in the negative direction. Here, 2 into 3. Moving 2 units 3 times in the positive direction. 2, 4, 6. 3 jumps. 2, 4, 6. Positive into positive. Result is positive. Here, minus 2 into 3. Here, minus 2 means you have to move it in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means only positive. The possibility is backward jump. Here also, minus 2 means you have to move in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means backward jump. Facing like this in the positive direction. The doll is facing like this. At 0. Now moving backward jump 3 times. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Negative into positive. The result is negative. Facing the negative direction. Doll is facing in the negative direction. The question is 2 into minus 3. Child is at 0. So, you have to move 2 units in the same direction 3 times. Facing like this, moving 2 units 3 times. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Positive into negative, the result is negative. Here the possibility is facing the negative direction, and the question is minus 2 into minus 3. That means you have to move in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means only the possibility is backward jump. The doll is at 0. Now 2 units backward 3 times. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Negative into negative, the result is positive. Positive into positive, the result is positive. Negative into negative, the result is positive. Same sign, the result is positive. Here, positive into negative, the result is negative. Negative into positive, the result is negative. That means one is positive, one is negative, the result is negative. When we are considering two integers, both are of the same sign, the result is positive. One is positive, one is negative, the result is negative. Hope you understood. The rules. If same signs, the result is positive. Different signs, the result is negative. Positive into positive, the result is positive. Negative into negative, the result is positive. Positive into negative, the result is negative. Negative into positive, the result is negative. When we start multiplying, you have to remember just multiply the absolute values. For absolute values, please refer the previous video. The link is given in the description box. Absolute value means forget about the sign. Take the numbers. Then multiply. Finally, put the correct sign. Here, 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. 3 times 0, 0. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. 3 times 0, 0. Now we are going to decide the sign. Positive, positive. Same sign. So result is positive. Normally positive we are not writing. Here, negative. One is negative, one is positive. So the result is negative. 3 times 0, 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Here, negative into negative. So the result is positive. Positive into negative. So the result is negative. Minus 3 into 0, 0, 0, no sign. Here, when this rule work only when we are considering the two numbers, when we are multiplying two numbers, two integers, this rule. When we have more numbers, we have to consider the negative factors. How many negative factors are there? Then we can decide the sign. When negative factors are even in numbers, the result become positive. When the negative factors, the number is an odd number, then the result will be negative. Example, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 8. First you multiply without the sign. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. Just write, take the absolute values, multiply, write the answer 8. Now we are going to decide the sign. Negative times negative. So pairing. So negative into negative become positive. Then positive into negative, which is negative. And again, this rule says you have to count how many negatives are there. 1, 2 and again 3. So there are 1, 2, 3 negative numbers. So 3 is an odd number. So the result is negative. Again, when there is an odd number of negative number, one number, the last negative number is not pairing. Here, next question. Minus 7 into minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 2. Count the number of negative factors. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, 5 negative factors means 5 is an odd number. So, the result is negative. Beginning, you have to multiply the absolute values without considering the sign. 7 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2. The answer is 84. Just write 84. Then we are going to decide the sign. One method is count how many negative numbers. If it is an odd number, put the negative sign. Another method, pairing. These two, negative, negative, positive. Again, negative, negative, positive. Again, one negative is not pairing. So, negative. Again, the next question. 5 into 4 into minus 3 into minus 2 into 1. First, you take the absolute values, multiply. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2, 120. 120 into 1, 120. Just write the answer. Now, we are going to consider the sign. How many negatives? 1, 2. There are 2 negatives. 2 negatives means 2 is an even number. Even number of negative factors. Even number of negative factors, the result is positive. So the rule is when there are more integers, you have to count how many negative factors are there. If there are even number of negative factors, the result is positive. When there are odd number of negative factors, the result is negative. Hope you understood. When there are two numbers, same sign, the result is positive. different sign, the result is negative. Positive times positive is positive, negative into negative, positive, positive into negative, negative, negative times positive, negative. Let us revise. First question. What we are going to do here is, first we are going to multiply the absolute values and we are writing. Then we are going to decide the sign. So 7 times 10, 70, 70 into 2, 140. Binu, could you tell me the sign? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
It is positive because all the numbers are positive. So the result is positive. Positive we are not writing. Next question. Krishna, could you give me the answer? 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 4s are 24. I want the sign.
Positive, ma'am.
Positive. Very good. Very good. Because all the numbers are positive. So the result is positive. The next question. 1 into 2 is 2. We have to decide the sign. Negative into negative. What is the result?
2 negatives make positive.
Very good. The next question. So, positive we are not writing, okay? It is plus 2, but we will write only 2. The next question. Negative 2 into negative 5 into negative 3. Here, we can do first multiply. 2 into 5 makes 10. 10 into 3 makes 30. The answer is 30. For deciding, we can do in two different ways. One is odd number of 1, 2, 3. There are odd number of negatives. So you can decide the sign. Can I get the answer?
Negative.
Negative. Odd number of negatives. So the answer is negative. Another way also we can decide. We know for two numbers, negative into negative is positive. So you can pair and find out. Two negatives make positive. Again, positive into negative makes negative. In that way also you can consider. Next question. 2 times 5 into negative 3. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 into 3, 30. Could you give me the answer sign?
Negative, ma'am.
Negative why?
Odd number of negatives are present.
Yes, only one negative. So, the answer is negative, negative 30. The next question. 2 times negative 5 into negative 3. Here also some people are having doubt. Why we are not considering positive numbers? Don't worry. While deciding, the positive you need not consider. Only the negative numbers. How many negatives? Here there are 2 negatives. So, what is the answer?
Positive answer.
Positive 30. Positive we wish to write or not to write?
No.
No need. We are writing 30. Hope it is very clear now. Integers division. Division is so easy because all the rules of multiplication true here also. Same sign, the result is positive. Different sign, the result is negative. Positive divided by positive, the result is positive. Negative divided by negative, result is positive. Positive divided by negative, the result is negative. Negative divided by positive, the result is negative. Now we will explain with some examples. 6 divided by 2. Here also, without the sign, take the absolute values, divide and write the answer first. Then you can decide the sign. 6 divided by 2, 3. Positive divided by positive, the result is positive. Negative 6 divided by negative 2. First you divide 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Negative divided by negative. Same sign. So the result is positive. Negative 16 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8. The answer is 2. Now we are going to decide the sign. Negative divided by positive. So negative 2. Now 20 divided by negative 5. First you divide 20 divided by 5. Answer is 4. Now decide the sign. Positive divided by negative. The result minus 4. 0 divided by negative 4. 0 divided by any number. The answer is 0. Negative 4 divided by 0. It is undefined. That means not defined. Now I think division is so easy. Hope you enjoy. Coming soon with another idea. If you like my video, please like and share. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to get further notification. Thank you to all. Bye.